Hello friends, welcome to Daily Sourdough. Today is a great day because I am making one of my very favorite dinners, stuffed crust garlic pizza. And I've already made my pizza dough and I have a link for that below. So if you need to learn how to make the pizza dough from scratch, sourdough pizza dough of course, then follow the link below, and then when you get to the point where you have a ball of dough sitting on your counter, that's where we're starting today. So I have my pizza dough sitting on the counter resting while my oven is heating up to 500 degrees. Make sure your oven is really hot so that your pizza crust comes out crispy. So I'll take my pizza dough ball and flatten it into a disc. And this is how you shape pizza dough so that you have a nice thin crust. You hold it in your hands like a steering wheel, gently rotate until the gravity stretches it out into a nice circle. And since this is a stuffed crust pizza, the outside edge doesn't need to be as thick because we're going to pull it out anyway and then stuff it with cheese. So this is the one time where your pizza dough will not be thicker around the edges. And I am going to use a piece of cardboard for my pizza peel because it's so much easier to use cardboard than a pizza peel. My pizza dough always sticks to my pizza peel. So flour your cardboard or pizza peel. And then when your dough is as thin as you like it, stretch that out a little bit more. So you want it pretty thin to have a nice crispy crust. Now, to stuff it, stretch the outer rim a little bit thinner. Take a string cheese and lay it on the pizza crust on the outer edge. And this might seem like a lot of cheese, but I've tried splitting them in half and it's just not enough. So you need the whole piece or the whole string cheese. Then simply stretch your dough out and roll it over the string cheese. So stretch it out and roll it over and then tuck it in, press down to hold that cheese in. And then do that all the way around your pizza. This is so good. And it's going to be a little bit of an odd shape, but that's all the better because it's artisan pizza. That down. Then when you have all of your string cheese rolled up in your dough, you are ready to put the toppings on. And I don't like very many toppings on my pizza. Generally, I like it pretty plain. So this is going to be pretty plain pizza. After you've rolled up your string cheese in your dough, now sprinkle the surface of your dough with some olive oil. And this is a garlic infused olive oil, so it gives it even more garlic flavor, which I really like. But you can just use regular olive oils just fine. Now put some sliced garlic on there. I grew this garlic, so I'm really excited about it, and I'm using it today on my pizza. It has really nice fresh flavor to it. Don't you just love summer with all the fresh produce out of your garden? It's so much fun. So put the sliced garlic on your pizza, and I like to add a lot of garlic because I want to make sure I can taste it. But put as much on as you like. And then your mozzarella cheese. And be sure and squeeze your mozzarella cheese in a paper towel to remove any excess moisture so that your pizza doesn't get soggy. And then just lay that on your pizza. And then top it off with more garlic. Basically, I'm making an individual pizza here because I'm going to eat the whole thing. Then if you want, you can sprinkle a little more olive oil on the top, and now pop it into the oven. So cook your pizza at 500 degrees for roughly 10 minutes. Just kind of watch the crust and then pull it out when you think it's done. I like it when it's a little bit browned on the top and on the crust. So just watch your pizza. Doesn't this look amazing? It's so yummy. So start some pizza dough tonight so that you can have this pizza, stuffed crust, garlic pizza tomorrow for lunch. And stay tuned for more recipes on how to use your sourdough starter daily.